Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today, that box is upside down. Today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. A particularly intriguing one because of what is on the outside of one of these boxes and what is not on the outside of the other one. Thank you so much to, what an interesting intro. Thanks so much to Maxace for sending this in. I played that over in my head and I was like, this sounds so like YouTuber-y, right? Anyways, ironically elongating the intro. Thanks to Maxace for sending these in. Can't wait to show them to you guys. Can't wait to find out what the heck they are. I'll link everything down in the description like I usually do. Okay. Let's do the one that has a label. We'll save this one. This one has no label. I have no idea what it is. Interesting. And usually they do. They almost always have labels. This one says Peregrine-S. It also says 10CR15 COMOV, which I've come to learn is essentially interchangeable with VG10. What that means is this potentially is a budget version of the Peregrine, which is an excellent idea. An idea that myself and many other people had echoed when they made the original expensive version and the second less expensive but still premium version. So what do we have here? Oh boy, we have, well, we have an Ultim Peregrine, but more importantly, 100% a less expensive Peregrine, which is a very, very good knife design from Maxace. Now, for those of you who don't, can we just get it out of the way? Can we, pee-pee, ha-ha, pee-pee, yellow, pee-pee, ha-ha, same color, ha-ha-ha. Can we get that out of the way? So, now that's all that's going to be in the comments. Okay. The idea here is less expensive materials. So almost certainly Maxace will, offer different materials for the scales. So you don't have to have yellow. You can get something else, right? So, yes. Wonderful. Thank you for not doing anything weird and making it, I felt like maybe they're going to mess this up and do a weird version of the Peregrine. No. Is this, boy, it feels really smooth. I'm just curious about the internals. That's got to be bearings, guys. So the reason that comes as a little bit of a shock is because the other Peregrines are washers. Now, the upside is that the action is 100% better in terms of smoothness than the more expensive ones, right? But it's not going to have that, and also the front flipper works way better. So for people who are just wanting, the dollar for dollar quality and the action, this is going to be the way to go, right? The Peregrine has classic knife lines that we've seen a bajillion, nay, a cajabillion times in the knife world over the last 100 years, right? But it is a good design. It's a nice full-size knife in a world where knives, especially less expensive knives, tend to be on the smaller side for whatever reason. So the Peregrine comes in at, it's an 8¼ inches, so definitely a full-size knife. Blade length with the the blade to handle ratio on this guy being exceptionally good at 3.65, and the cutting edge at nearly 3.5, about 3.45 inches. That's great. Assuming they actually get this knife down low enough, 75 or less, I have no problem with 10CR15 COMOV, aka VG10, which is actually a great steel that's very, very similar to 154CM in terms of overall performance. I think VG10 has gotten a bad rap over the years. I think the reason it gets a bad rap is because Spyderco kept trying to put it on knives that were like $150. And the knife community said, no, please stop doing that. And I think they still do it because they're Spyderco. But now under $75, I don't have a problem with that. Don't have a problem with that at all. I think in a lot of ways, people are going to find this version of the knife to be superior, especially if you like, if you're big into action. Access to the lock bars, fine. You have you have pocket clip mounting positions on both sides. This is textured. No, is it? Yeah, it is. Okay. I wish you guys would have polished this, Maxace. This is real cloudy, right? Looks like a dehydrated pea. Has anyone ever said that before? Hey, it looks like dehydrated pea. Ha ha. High five, guy. Shut up! Shut up! That's not funny! Oh my god! Please! Holy crap! It's the hive mind jokes are just tiresome. Oh my god. Just look down in the comments and just see if anyone else has said this. Because people just repeat the same things over and over and over. How long has Ultim been around, guys? How long? What part of your brain goes, that's a good one? Hey, that's a good one there, Jeff. You should say that. Then they'll know who you are. God. Okay, yeah. Ultim's the color of pea. And when it's dark, it's dehydrated. For the love of God. Okay, here we go. What's in this one? I don't know what the price is. I'll link this down in the description. You guys can check it out there. What's in this one here? The whole comment section is literally just gonna, now it's just, all I've done is ensure, because you guys do the same thing that I do with the shaman. If people tell me not to say shaman, I'm going to say shaman. So if I tell you guys not to make dehydrated pea jokes, that's all you guys are going to do. All right, fair enough. I was asking for it, I guess. Okay. So this is just a mystery. Oh, no, we do have a card. What do we have? Congratulations on your new Maxace knife. Well, thank you very much. What is my new Maxace knife? It says nowhere. They just forgot to put the label on this one. All right. What is it? Doesn't feel too heavy. Also doesn't feel tiny. What? What are you? Silver Twill. Silver Twill has me intrigued. This is a large slip joint. No. Nay. A lockback. Ooh, I love this. We got to see more of this. Maxace. Yes, I haven't even opened this up yet. And I like this. Please use this more. I don't know why it went away. I don't know why all of a sudden the knife was like, yeah, nobody needs silver carbon fiber anymore. That's not cool. Let's use flat, shiny, cheap-looking carbon fiber on everything for 10 years and forget this stuff existed. This definitely needs to come back. This is Allotex, silver twill, white or silver carbon fiber, whatever you want to call it. This is awesome. Oh, yes. Oh, I do like this. Oh, yes. Magna Cut. That is a nice looking knife. Oh, boy. Now, I do admit that I wish that it was... It's bizarre to me that it is a lockback. But okay, I mean, whatever. It has a lock, right? I think Maxace runs their Magna Cut around 62. Excuse me, a 62. Sorry, I had an energy drink before I started this. The action is real nice. Yeah, this is a lockback on bearings. Oh, boy. It's here. You see? It's a lockback on bearings. You actually can get at that. I thought, probably not. Can you reverse flick it? Not easily, but you can wheel it out pretty easily. This has an interesting combination of modern and classic design elements that we haven't seen a lot of in the last, I'd say 10 years, specifically the fact that it is a lockback on bearings, but also the titanium. It's definitely titanium with how much it weighs. And the Magna Cut, right? I like this. This is, man, that's cool. What is this? Why you not say? MM36, is that what it is? Maxace, honestly, the only offensive part of this whole knife is the fact that you put that logo so big. Get rid of Maxace and just this and put it over here. Because the knife actually looks... This is really cool. I like this a lot. Awesome. Yeah, man. Contour. Look at this. Beautiful. Contoured Alatex. Look at the transition to the tie. Very nice. Ooh. Ooh, I love that. Yes, huge fan. Okay, very good. Comes with extra hard. Look at all this extra hardware. Wow. Whole bunch. I am a big fan of that. So, very good. Right-handed only, apparently, which is... Come on. The lockback is ambi. Guys, you do this here, but not here. Why? Weird choice. Okay. These are both really cool. This was a really fun unboxing for Maxace knives. Usually they tend to be on the wacky side, which I also love, but these are definitely more practical designs. I'm guessing this one's going to have a decently high price tag, but probably not insane. This guy I'm really hoping is 75 or less. So that's it for today. Both of these knives will be linked down in the description. You will get full comprehensive reviews of each knife once I've spent a little more time with them. Where'd my cards go? My cards are gone. Here's a card. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex and on TikTok at _metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.